Welcome to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we will discuss about using mouse, orientations and editing the sketch. After watching this video, you will have a brief knowledge about editing your sketch and orientation. So now you see on the workspace is a basic extruded boss base. It's a basic 3D model of the similar sketch we had drawn in the previous video. Now about using your mouse. By pressing the middle button in your mouse, you can change the view of your model. This you need to hover your mouse and it will change like this. Now to zoom in and zoom out of your model, you again use your middle button. Now if you scroll up, it zooms out. If you scroll down, it zooms in like this. Now you can even move your model in your workspace. You just need to press the control button on your keyboard and middle mouse button in your mouse and slide it. Now the icon you see is to position your model on the workspace. And position it here or here. Now we'll talk about the orientations. Now you have various different orientations you can view your model from. So now to choose those orientation, you go on this icon, view orientation icon. You press the drop down menu and you have a loads of options here. This is the top view, this is the left view, front view, right view, and so on. You choose the view you want. Like for the top, if I want the top view, I do that. Now if I want a front view, I press this. You can either do this or you can also select from this cube. You can even select this front view, side view, or even your top view. Now you can either turn this cube off and on also by pressing this icon, view selector. Now I have turned it off, so now you can't see that cube. Now if I turn it on, it turns on cube, and this icon here is the isometric view. So these views orientations are very necessary and also a useful tool for future videos and future models, because you'll need to draw some parts on different faces, so you'll have to see that view and then draw a sketch on that. Now you can also have different types of viewing your model. Basically there are 4 types. One is with shaded with edges, which is this one. Then it's simply shaded like this. There won't be edge markings on this. And there's this one also, hidden lines removed, and this is wireframe model. So basically wireframe model is a clear see-through models. So I'll go back to the normal this view and isometric view. Now the next part of this tutorial is to know how you can edit your sketches. So basically you can view this boss extrude 1 and you press this arrow and new drop down menu is where it's written sketch 1. It's basically the sketch you drew to make the extrusion. Now you click on it and then you click on edit sketch. Here it is. Now your sketch is here. Now there's another view option which is known as normal to. See this button, and you select normal to, it gets to the view of normal to the sketch. Now in editing sketch, you can either edit your or the sketch you drew, the basic layout, or you can normally edit the lengths. Like if I put in the wrong length here and I want to edit it, I edit it. Like if I put 47 here, it has been edited now. So now you close this sketch and your extrude model has been adjusted according to your new sketch. You can also edit your sketch by just clicking on this surface and then edit sketch. So you have now a sketch open. Now you can do your editings, whatever editing you want in this sketch. and then press OK, and extrude model will update according to it. And that normal to orientation is usually very helpful. Like if you want to draw another sketch on this surface for some other extrusion, you just click on it and then press normal to either from here or from this view orientation tab, normal to, and now it goes normal to your that surface which you selected. So this will be it for this video. So do check out the description box for quiz and answer them in the comment section. And thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe to start Sketch, and check out other videos to learn similar skills through our bite-sized content.